Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you stay safe and healthy. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Melinda Dewi. I'm from 6th semester English Education of Japan Islamic University. Okay, I'm going to present my proposal. The title is Teacher Strategies in Teaching English Vocabulary at the First Grade Students of Little Camel Elementary School in the academic year of 2021 until 2022. Next slide about the overview. There are three chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. First about introduction. Background of the study. Why teacher strategy? According to Suhyati, the strategy or teaching method is a big role in student mastery of instructional material, including vocabulary. The accuracy of method action in language teaching includes the most important method to help the student getting important method to help the student getting better achievement. Next, about why vocabulary. According to Sugiyati, English teaching cover four skills: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. The four skills are supported by vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the important language elements the student should master. Vocabulary includes some collection of words. The words are not only as individual words, but also as group of words have a meaning. Next, let's about the background of the school. Little Camel has a curriculum, namely English curriculum, and have passive program, namely content. Next slide about the problem statement. There are two. First, how are teachers practice in teaching vocabulary at the first grade? Students of Little Camel Elementary School in the academic year of 2021 until 2022. And the second, what is the problem faced by the English teacher and the student of teaching teachers studies at the first grade or Little Camel Elementary School in the academic year of 2021 until 2022? And the objective of the study is to describe the teacher strategies in teaching English vocabulary at the first grade students of Little Camel Elementary School in the academic year of 2021 until 2022. The second is to know the problem faced by the English teacher and the student at the first grade of Little Camel Elementary School in the academic year of 2021 until 2022. Next slide about the significance of the study. There are two for teacher and for other researchers. For teacher, this can provide some information and knowledge about the use of learning technique in the process of technique English vocabulary skill in classroom. And for other researcher, is the results of this research can be able to be one of reference for other researchers who are interested in English teaching learning process, in particular with the vocabulary skill. Next up about the definition of teacher. There are two: teacher strategy and vocabulary. Teacher strategy is an effort that designed and implemented by a teacher to produce interesting learning, comfortable, efficiency, and effective for a student. And vocabulary is a foundation that used to apply English learning in all schools. Okay, we move to the chapter 2, literature review. Teacher strategy. According to Sarotti, teaching strategy refers to methods used to help students learn preserve course content and be able to develop achievable goals in the future. And according to Clear, they state that more effective strategies to teach vocabulary are word clustering, multiple meaning, word sorry, vocabulary expansion, word part exercise, and the last key. Next slide about vocabulary. First, about definition of vocabulary. Accordingly, Chart and Renania, vocabulary is a core component of language proficiency and provides much of the basic of how to learn, speak, listen, and read and write. And according to Rahmatillah, vocabulary is a list of words as a basic component of language proficiency, which has a form or expansion and contains of aspect their meaning use of word, form, or pronunciation and spelling. Next slide, we move to the importance of vocabulary. According Al-Haqqani, the importance of vocabulary is demonstrated daily in anal the field in classroom. The achieving student possess in most sufficient vocabulary. Next, we move to the types of vocabulary. According to Darby, there are four types. First is active speaking vocabulary. Second is passive listening vocabulary. Third is passive reading vocabulary. And the last is active writing vocabulary. Next, let's move to the previous study in my proposal using 5 journal for the previous study. First is by Hernawati. This title is Folding Up the Student English Vocabulary Top Story at SMP Negeri 2 Bandung, Kabupaten Pinang. And the research cap is this journal using media for teaching vocabulary using story. But in my proposal, not using media. Second is beginning L and Anastasia Silomoran. The title is English Teacher Strategies in Teaching Vocabulary During COVID-19. The subject of this research is teacher at SMP Dharma Pancasila and during COVID-19. But in my proposal, the subject of this research is teacher 5 until 10 teacher in first grade elementary school, and this activity when normal situation. And the third is by Al-Haqqani. Its title is The Importance of Vocabulary in Learning and How to Be Taught. This research cap is this research to know the importance of vocabulary and how to be taught. But in my proposal, this research to know what teacher strategies when learning vocabulary. And the fourth journal is by Rahmadeni Faryani. The title is Teacher Perspective on Strategy for Teaching English Vocabulary to Young Learners. And this research cap is this journal using a game sing a song for strategies teaching English vocabulary. But in my proposal, teacher not using media. And last is by P. Anutama. The title is Strategies for Teaching Vocabulary. And this research cap is this journal have 3 methods. But in my proposal, they're not using or they don't have a method. Next slide, we move to the last chapter 3, research method. This research design. In this research, use qualitative approach with descriptive research design. According to V.A. Lambert and C.A. Lambert, qualitative descriptive studies is a comprehensive summarization in everyday term or specific event experienced by individual or group of individuals. And next, time and place. Time when July until December, and place in the table elementary school in Mojokerto. This is a table for activities. There are 3 activities: planning, calculation, data analysis, and reporting. Next, we move to the content of the study. The study will be conducted at the Tokyo Elementary School in Mojokerto, and the subject is English teacher in the first grade of Tokyo Elementary School, and as the informant for getting the data. Next, we move to the source of the data. There are 2 informant. The informant of this research is the teacher, the English teacher and student at the first grade Tokyo Elementary School in academic year of 2021 until 2022, and this even when classroom teaching activities. Next, we move to the technique of collecting data, observation and interview. Observation is to know teacher who has strategies in teaching English and to the student. And interview, because in this school have 5 until 10 teacher, so I'm using interview. Next, technique of analyzing data. There are 3: data collection are data observation and interview, data display, and less conclusion, drawing, or verification. Okay, next slide is technique of validating data. In this research, I'm using a triangulation of the source of the data. And by, according to Sugiono, data take from an informant is combined from other informant. Data about technique from the teacher and the student are saved. Okay, this is a reference. I have 10 reference. You must be careful when make a reference. And this, this title font is italic. Okay, please give me feedback, comment, or question. I think enough for my presentation. Sorry for many mistakes, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.